Wow, it's so hot today. With summer quickly approaching with scorching temperatures, it's time to cool down with these Zuvas portable fans. So what you see on the left is the portable table fan. This is the oscillating version, and here is the folding version. I'm pretty excited about these because I'm in need of a portable fan so I could cool down, whether cooling down my PC, cooling down inside my house, or even cooling down at the beach. All right, so right off the box, the Zuvas Oscillating Fan has a, oh, it's USB-C, okay. I was just about to say micro USB. USB-C much preferred. USB-A to USB-C cable. Instructions guide, very simple. Of course, the black color of their portable and rechargeable. Yes, both fans are rechargeable, guys. And on the right, we got the Zuvas folding fan. It also comes with a USB-A to, oh, okay, so this one is micro USB, okay. And of course, the user's manual. So the oscillating fan is lightweight and compact. And it comes in 3 different colors too. I decided to go with the black ones because it's more tactical. All right, got the Zuvas logo right there, and in the inside you have 5 of these fan blades, and it's made of ABS plastic. Okay, so what's awesome about this fan is that it can tilt in this angle 60 degrees, and also a 90 degrees oscillating coverage, zone coverage. And here's what the back looks like. And the bottom has rubber padding to protect it from skidding and from damaging surface. Got a real nice look down here. And it's got 2 buttons, one power and one for controlling the speed. And it does offer 4 separate speeds. All right, so this has a built-in rechargeable 7200 milliamp battery. Now on the right, what you see is a smaller version, and this looks like, right off the bat, it looks like an air conditioning, right? Like a wall-mounted air conditioning. And it also contains, it's designed with 5 of these plastic blades. Zuvas logo right there. Got the on button, a power button right here. Very compact and sleek. And here's what the back looks like. So this folds about 180 degrees. So you can put this in basically any flat surface, so you can blow into, you know, something like up all the way to down position. Very nice. And this also has rechargeable battery. It comes with 2000 milliamps, but this one has 3 speeds. All right, so I have both fans connected. Oh wow, there's a blinking indicator. At first I thought that was like, is that the mist? No, this actually shows you the amount of power that's being charged. Okay, so the input cable goes on the back, nicely hidden. And on the folding fan, it's on the right side, or depending on which side you're looking at, left side, right side. Okay, so it's blinking right now. Let's go ahead and turn this on. See, it shows that it's 1 right here. Okay. Wow, this is quiet. That's pretty strong for low. Let's do the oscillating function. So let that rotate the full 90 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and kick it up 2. All right, notice how it's sucking in the mist. The combination of the 2 is awesome. And 3, that's a wide 90. And 4, that's the maximum. Wow, I'm loving it already. So cool. All right, let's go ahead and turn that off. Now it's time for the folding fan, and this needs a little bit of time to see. turns off. Wow, it's like a robot. Okay, now for the folding fan. This has 3 speeds. Now this one is non-oscillating. Let's turn that on. Okay, but this one has a different sound to it. Kind of like a more mechanical. Okay, that's the second speed. Third. Oh, I noticed the color change too. I wasn't expecting that. So an LED color indicates the speed. So red being the highest. And I think it was green being the medium and blue, was it? Being the lowest. And of course, like I mentioned, you can fold it anywhere. This one would be nice. Like you could put this in the kitchen, in the office, in the bedroom, or directly against the PC to cool down the motherboard. Wow. One more. Turn it off. And don't forget, both are rechargeable and portable. So you can take it with you anywhere on the go, whether to the beach, to the park, to camping, or hiking trips. So whether you go with the oscillating desk fan or the folding fan, both are designed to keep you cool throughout the hot summer days. Zuvas, adding a little bit of coolness to global warming.